Welcome back. Today, we're unlocking a new superpower, your very own AI study buddy. You know that feeling staring at a blank page with no idea where to even start? We've all been there. So, what if you had a super smart buddy, ready to help 24/7? That's what AI can be for you. Let's look at the difference. On one hand, you have the old way, and now, the new AI way. But listen, this is the most important rule. AI is a tool. It is not your brain. It helps you manage your own learning, but you're still the one who has to do the actual thinking. So, how does this all work? Well, it helps you in three main stages: before, during, and after. Okay, part one, the game plan. This is all about what you do before you even start studying. It can break huge tasks into tiny steps, or even make you a whole study schedule. All right, part two, the practice session. This is for when you're really in the learning zone. Think of it like your own personal tutor, a practice coach, and a quiz maker all rolled into one. And the best part? You just have to tell it what you need to understand something tricky. You can literally ask it to explain this like I'm 12, or to give me a real-life example. It can quiz you too. This helps pull info from your memory, which makes it stick. And we're not done. Part three is the level up. This happens after you finish studying for the day. It can review your work, explain your mistakes, and suggest what you should focus on next. See, when you put all these pieces together, you get this really powerful learning loop. You learn something, you practice it, you check your work, and boom, you improve. Simple, right? Just remember, AI is the co-pilot. You are always in the driver's seat. So, your new study buddy is ready to go. The only question is, what will you learn first?